Hi, this is Don. Today we're going to talk about fluted panels. Dating back, galing ito dun sa Greek stone columns nila sa temple. Yung mga massive pillars. Fluting serves three purposes. Number one, yung sharp vertical lines of fluting act as a visual guide para yung mata natin papunta sa taas. Number two is to create a rhythmic play of light and shadow para magmukhang lively, texture, and less like a heavy block yung massive pillars ng Greek times. Number two is yung na-hide niya yung imperfection sa walls natin. Na-hide ng floating yung pinagduktungan ng dalawang stone and yung mga minor imperfections. As the time progresses, hindi na lang limited sa stone yung mga materials natin. Meron na tayong glass, wood, plastic, metal, MDF board, BCF board, at kung ano-ano pang maraming material. Today, fluted panels are everywhere. Nasa wall, nasa furniture, nasa closet, kahit nga sa ceiling, meron na rin. Dahil hindi maayos yung pagkaka-install or pagkaka-design ng mga gumagamit nito. Sa sobrang dami, hindi na sila maganda tingnan. Ba't nga ba ito nauso at ginagamit pa rin hanggang ngayon? It turns your flat walls into play of living light and shadow. It also makes the room feel taller kapag in-apply natin siya pa-vertical. Tapos, alam niyo ba yung feeling na parang tinatawag tayo ng pader na gusto natin siya i-grease kapag naglalakad tayo sa hallway? Ganun din siya. And it adds texture sa walls natin na hindi kaya ng basta paint lang. Alam mo ba na kaya din niyang mag-help with better sound absorption? Since fluted siya, nabe-break niya yung sound. I'm not a fan of fluted panels. Hindi namin siya masyadong ginagamit sa mga designs namin. Except na lang kapag gusto talaga ni client yung fluted panels. So ito yung 4 recommended designs ko kapag gusto mo talaga ng fluted panels. This one, mixed with other materials. May fluted panels and then may wood veneers. Number 2, part siya ng ceiling natin. Tapos lalagyan natin ng cove lighting. Number 3 is yung part siya ng wall natin. So, like this on the pictures, naka-wainscoting siya. Naka-wainscoting or half-wall design siya. Number 4, as wall border. Meron sa taas and meron sa baba. Comment 3 more ideas to know more. From temple columns to your accent walls, maganda naman talaga mag-apply ng mga fluted panels. Let's just apply it in a better way. That's it. See you on the next video.